Okay, so hi guys. So this tutorial video will be mostly on high level system design, and these videos will be based on the book System Design Interview by Alex Su. So I will be traversing each and every topic in this book, from this book actually, and then we will be covering the most important designs step by step. So this will be a playlist of really long playlist, and I hope you guys will like this playlist. So starting from scratch, so what is basically system design refers to here. So what it means that when we are trying to scale a lot of users, that is from zero users to millions of users, so there comes a lot of complexities in system designs. Fine. So starting from scratch, we have, let me make it a visual presentation over here. That starting from scratch, we have, suppose this is the host, that is the user, and this is a web server. Fine. So whenever there is a web server and there is a host, we can expect that a request will go and a response will come. Fine. So but the thing is, this architecture, it looks simple, but it isn't that simple. As request and response, we are sending it via one host. What if there are, in real life, there are millions of requests and millions of response? So in that case, the servers may crash or maybe giving fault at some point of time. So at that, we need to handle those cases, and in real life, obviously, Google is used by millions and billions of people at a single time. So why do you think that Google gives every search in milliseconds to you? That for every user it gives search in milliseconds. Whatever you search on YouTube, it gives the response to you in milliseconds. So there are quite a few reasons for that, and that is what is the main motive behind the scaling of a system design. So without wasting any time, this video is an introduction video and we won't be wasting much time here. So just know this factor, that in case of a user, there will be few terms that we will be using, that is DNS. DNS means domain name server. So what does DNS does? That we are not good with numbers, obviously. So people are not good with numbers, and they actually are good with host names. So that is, we know that it's www.google.com, and not, we don't even know the IP of google.com. So what we do is we search for google.com. DNS, in terms, they have a record, and for each host name they have an IP. So they return the IP to the user, and the user uses that IP and requests a web page from the web browser, and then it gets the actual response. So that is the normal flow. We will be using databases here. So RDBMS, NoSQL DBMS, those few terms are, we will be applying that. And most importantly, what we will be doing is database scaling, vertical scaling, horizontal scaling. So every basic things will be covered up here, and this tutorial will be fun enough. So that's all for the introduction session, and we will be moving forward to the first topic for this lecture. Thanks.